electric blood. Actually, it's probably the SD card. SD card blood. It's all the same, probably. Here, crouch, crouch, stand, reach it, bank. Got it.
That's a nice little punch there.
It really and truly is. Alright, so you're good things, I'm good things.
And pick your knots, but this uniform
Right there. Bang.
bada boom.
Yo. Oh, good. You're just the hold I was hoping for. Not the hold I deserve. Maybe. Ooh. That's a thought. Do that. Do that. Then I get some gear on normal. And now is when it gets confusing. Oh, I've got a little bit of a hidden ledge there. Oh yeah, no, this entire start is dicey. And I don't like it.
Why not?
Why do I always GoPro the moments that are bad? Ow. 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 I think I can reach that. I just need good feet. And I don't have them. Maybe. I've got an idea. Oh. Okay. Sorry, spider. Oh, that's on me. Sorry, bud. You're kind of in my way. Fuck.
Nice. Oh,
Do you know how much better I feel?
God, I feel like 10,000 times better. I was like trying to like keep it on the perfectly short leash.
Oh yeah. You did really well with that, thank you.
Maybe not. So when you went to the double underswing, I was like, oh my god.
Yeah. Scared the hell out of me too. Oh. Ow. Leg is Elvising quite hardcore. Yeah. I've been drinking Gatorade. Trying to get them electrolytes. maybe. In a minute. Ooh. Yeah. I will. But give me some seconds. I might do a take here as well, because this is... Yeah. And yeah, take me. Shit, I think I clipped the other way. Yeah, the spine wants to be that way.
Oh, on the shaft?
Yeah, because I don't really, there's really not a whole lot here to be grabbing onto. There's much more if we go that way and go over. I take that back. There's really not that much more. Whoa. It's all good. Okay, I think I know what I need to do. Just get high feet and inch up slowly. And then drink a fuck ton of water. Need water. So many sweats. Alright. Pull me tight. Okay. Bank. I think you're a good ledge. We'll find out, I suppose. I think if I can get my feet high enough, it'll work. Yeah, and then underclings for the rest of it. That should work. They've got you if I need it. I don't think I will or should. Okay. Climbing. Ooh. That's just better than expected. Oh. Clip high. In one. In two. Take. Awesome. Thank you. Huh. Could have gone slightly better. Yeah, I'm good. Could have gone ever so slightly better. But I'm okay with it. Yeah. Lowest part's probably the hardest just because you get no feet.